afternoon, we've got some of those clouds spilling into the southern part of the Red River Valley from the storm system in South Dakota. And conditions are a little more cloudy in the south and up north as a result of that, but we're still getting that sun trying to shine through right now in Fargo. Our conditions here in Fargo are looking pretty good. We've got temperatures that are going to be into the, well, I should say quiet, pretty quiet. It's cold out there, so let's take a look at those temperatures. Fargo's right at 0 degrees right now, and it's 18 below for what it feels like for the moment in the FM area. So quite cold here in Fargo, Moorhead, and throughout the valley. And just taking a quick look at how things are in Frisco, very warm, 68 degrees there, mostly cloudy. There's some storms in the vicinity right now, and a higher dew point, a lot of moisture in the air there as well. So conditions there that are warmer, but more hazardous at this point in time. We have our own hazards. We have that temperature that's very low, along with your wind chills that are going to be quite cold for the rest of the day today. Temperatures haven't changed that much. We're at 0 right now in Fargo, 3 below in Grand Forks. It's 8 below in Langdon. So we're looking at some cool weather here with that wind coming in out of the west or northwest, a gust to 26 in Cooperstown. That's going to have an impact on those wind chills, 20s again to even close to 30 below. So we're just going to quickly talk about your afternoon planner here because there's not going to be much change. We're looking at temperatures that stay right around the 0 degree mark and some sunshine, especially up north, a little bit more cloud cover to the south at this point in time. And that may continue for a little while heading into the afternoon. Once this clears, we're looking at temperatures bottoming out as we head into the day on Saturday. So here's a look at your radar right now in the region. We are quiet for the most part in the valley. We had a few snowflakes earlier on. That is basically staying south of us at this point in time, and east too, heading down to the Twin Cities, running into some snow there along I-94. And expanding the view, of course, we're talking about that road to Frisco. We've got the snow, we've got the ice along the way, eventually transitioning to stormy weather, severe storms. We've got watches and warnings out now for parts of eastern Oklahoma. And looking now at Frisco right here on the map, we've got some storms in the vicinity already starting to pop up in that region, down toward Dallas, some rain as well. So here's a look at your Proceed Road to Frisco forecast. Again, we've got that severe thunderstorm risk this afternoon and into this evening, a significant risk. And talking about the potential for some strong tornadoes, large hail, damaging wind gusts right around this afternoon and into this evening, that time when you're thinking about heading out to Pet Fest or your friends and family are at this point. So again, just want to warn you that this is a threat for us as we continue through the day today and into this evening. So heading into that 4 o'clock hour, again, looking pretty similar to what we just saw on the radar. We've got stormy conditions stretching down toward Frisco, and again, driving in that direction with the warming air. You're going to be dealing more with the storms down there. And then as we head into this evening, those storms continue marching eastward, and that's where we're looking at that threat for supercell thunderstorms producing that severe weather. Heading into late tonight, this starts to move east of the Frisco area, at least the most intense part of the storms, and from there into more parts of the south. Once that clears, colder air from this system moves in. This is Saturday morning, and we may just see a few flakes work their way into the Frisco area to start off game day. Eventually, that does move on. This is 11 o'clock in the morning, right around game time, looking at drying conditions, but cold temperatures into the 30s, and then eventually getting to about 40. So after the game, heading back, winter storm for parts of the Central Plains. That will start moving on, but roads may not be great at all in some of those locations. Here's your 7-day planner. Again, some hazardous conditions heading to Frisco, and right here in the valley, it's quiet, but it's cold. It's hazardous for us too. We don't want to get stuck out in that. And checking out your Saturday morning planner, 21 below for Fargo. So tomorrow morning is going to be tough throughout the region. We're looking at a high of about 2. Sunday, we try to warm up. Not a lot, though, with that chance for some snow, and we just stay cold as we head into next week.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.